One of the big things I think journalists need to keep in mind when reporting on embodied AI is there is a lot of hype out there. So to try to penetrate that hype as much as possible. There are a lot of demos of robots doing things that look amazing, and it turns out, that they're very highly curated and selected, or sometimes the robot's even being remote controlled and it's not actually using an embodied intelligence system. So I think journalists need to be very skeptical of some of the information that they're being presented by companies that obviously are trying to raise money in this field, and to try to cut through some of the hype. On the other hand, I think, we need to be very careful not to make people too afraid of our robot, enabled future, because actually these devices can be really useful and could do a lot of things, I think, to help industry, to help the economy, to help overcome issues such as loneliness if they're designed correctly. But I think journalists kind of need to keep that all in mind about, well, what is the correct design for something that's going to help someone, for instance, an older person, overcome loneliness? What are the right design parameters? And not just accept, again, the word of a company that's making such a device that it's going to be helpful, but to actually look at independent research and to ask hard questions.